Hi guys. This is the result of a dehydration. We ate pretty much almost all of the watermelon yesterday already, so it's really good. I love it. I don't like the tahini and the chamoy because the watermelon was really sweet by itself. I didn't even add any salt. It was so good. Phil liked it too. It was like his first time. We're gonna try some more, but this time it's just gonna be just either salt or plain. So I'm gonna do all my leftovers today. I'm going home, and with some eggs. This cheese gotta use up butter. Rice. We have some rice. We had this was our lunch yesterday. Just a little bit left. We were so full, couldn't finish. And then I don't remember if I ate dinner yesterday. I think I was too busy. Friend's project. Almost done with it, but I got a few more things I gotta do. I didn't get a chance to record that or put on live. But yeah. And then this lettuce, right? Let's finish the lettuce today too. Corn. I think the corn here, I'm gonna fry it. I'm gonna just do. That's a lot of hard rice, but it's okay. Phil can eat it all with the kids when they come. We got some protein here. It feels like. Oh yeah, some of this protein here too because there's some brisket. So this would be the seasoning. That time is it? I don't know why there's an alarm. Not mine, right? It's Phil's. Yeah. I'm gonna do that. Let's see. First thing I'm gonna do is heat this up. Maybe you might want to eat this separately. So a little bit of rice goes here. So you can have that for lunch if he wants to. Okay. Save this, or you can eat this tomorrow. It'll last another day or so. It was really good. I guess I should try it. Save this. Okay. So we got these, which I'm gonna. There's actually like too much rice. You know what I'm gonna do? Just use half of this because I really don't want. But then he's gonna have the kids, so what else can I add? What else can I add quickly? Nothing else. Oh, of course I'll add more eggs. And this, yes, perfect. So more protein, some of that, and I don't know if I want to stir fry that. I might put in maybe some vegetables in here. These frozen vegetables. Just to have some color and a little bit of some extra. So this can last him like maybe 2 days. Tomorrow and then Saturday. Oh, tomorrow's Saturday, right? Yeah, Sunday, and the kids come. Maybe they can have some. Yeah, this is how I thaw it fast. Just put some water in there. Okay, yeah, this is gonna be it. And that means I'm gonna have to use the big one. Let's get the dishes. On top. I don't know. I think I don't have enough time. 30 minutes. I'm gonna see if I can do this in 30 minutes. So let's make this fast. That. Basically, this goes in already. This goes in. So maybe everything here is fast, so I think I can do it. I can do it. We'll just use up all of this. Let's rinse it a little. That's a lot of meat, but we're gonna use it all. And I can have some too before I leave. Okay, it's corn. Let me wash this. Shrimp. Eggs, yeah, plenty. I can't get this. Maybe, here, get rid of that part. Oh yeah, so in that case, I need to heat this up. Make it easier. I don't know. There's just a lot of protein in here, and even that sauce or the juice, it's all protein and fat, and a little bit of carbs, the vegetables. Let's just cook this. This is like, I guess you call my leftover fried rice. Just use up everything we have so we can start again next week. For me, next week. Yeah, today is already Friday. Yeah, next week is when kids come back. When kids come back, and also this next week I gotta prepare a lot for our camping trip. Also, I have other things to do, such as Val's wedding favor, which is gonna be shot glasses, sublimation. But I'm thinking. It's probably easy. But I feel because I just worked on sublimation project with my friend, and it's a little defeating, kind of. It's tiring because of how it turned out, and all these changes and adjustments and customizing, and it kind of made me think a little bit: is that really what I want to do? But I think it's just because I don't have the right process yet. So that's why it feels hard. It feels like it's time consuming. But I'm still learning a lot. I'm still not best at it. Actually, no. I guess I don't need cheese or butter. I actually want to put the cheese in there. So I need to use all of this stuff anyway. So I'm gonna do that. It's gonna melt anyway, but I'd rather melt it into little small chunks. Little pieces, actually. This is chipotle seasoning. So you know, I was talking about how me and Phil have a bet, and by not end of June, I think by June 1st, whoever has the most sales would like win. And he's been getting orders for his leathering, but he doesn't have the time to make it, so he pretty much refund. And so that's my claim, like, you didn't even do it, so it doesn't count. So I would say that I'm ahead because I have an order from a digital product that I made on Etsy. And but anyway, I'm just thinking, like, this whole month I need to set up my Etsy store again, like really set up, and the physical aspect side of that I need to work on that. I probably won't get anything, but it's just ideas, like I'm gonna do it. That's what I'm trying to say. I'm gonna do it. I want eggs. Yeah, I'm just gonna stir it all up in here, just give it more protein. this feels like a lot of juice, and it's actually gonna get soggy, so I better take some out. Let me see. Gotta make sure we don't get soggy. Rice can't be soggy. It's fried rice. It's not fried anymore, it's soggy rice. Let's see, how's this? I really wish I had a handle. Like I said, I keep saying the same thing. I do need to get new pots and pan. There you go. And I can always add the seasoning in there later if I need to. Okay. Let me do the vegetables. Just for a little color. As you can see, it's not that much. And I need to get the tail of this out. I don't want the tail. Because, like, why? I mean, I'm eating fried rice already. I don't need... Just, this is like a lazy step. I was gonna just pour it in, but then I thought, no, that's just... For the person who's eating it, they would probably feel irritated. Like, why didn't they take the tail out? This is from Costco. It's already peeled, deveined, and also, I mean, pretty much almost. Okay, that's everything. Rinse it real quick. I think this would be fast. Oh yeah, I forgot my Spam. Yes. I'll put some Spam. Cut everything. Let's go out. Don't. Oh no, just do this. Come on, get out of there. So like a little bit of saltiness. Like Dr. Canberry said, if you can't afford beef, you do protein. This is a form of protein. Just buy whatever you can afford. If you want to lose weight, get rid of health issues that was caused by carbohydrates and sugar, same thing. I know I'm still eating some though, so I mean. Turn down the fire a little bit. Just need to cut this. I'm gonna make these two small little chunks because I think it's kind of salty, so it's better as little pieces. There, like that. Just put it in there. I think I could probably finish in 30 minutes. I mean, fried rice, I know there's a particular recipe, like there's Chinese fried rice, right, in the restaurant. And so if we go there, we usually used to a particular flavor. But, I mean, honestly, fried rice to me, just cook whatever you want with your favorite seasoning. So to me, it's just like a leftover type of dish. Just put everything together. This seems like a lot of meat for the rice, right? But you'll still feel like you're eating fried rice because there's a little bit. It works out perfect to me. I have this one to do, and then once I'm done cooking, I gotta cut up some of the boxes that I ordered, put in a trash can. so then Phil doesn't have to do that. And then I sublimate, but I haven't actually baked it yet. What I did so far is I print out and then I taped, and then oh yeah, we need the eggs. Let's cook the eggs here real quick. I don't want to use another pan, so let's cook the eggs here. Some eggs. And then I shrink wrap it, the tumbler. So now the next step is to bake it in the correct temperature for like 6 minutes or so. And then what we do after that is we reveal the results. And hopefully it turns, oh, my shrimp, I forgot. Oopsies. Still a lot of meat, so it's gonna be filling for sure. Let me pull this out. So the heat is on the eggs more. Should I just pop it? Yeah, let me just pop it. But just I don't want too much seasoning on it. How much time do I have? 17 minutes only? Wow, I have 13 minutes. I'm for sure gonna finish earlier than that. Let's see, what are we gonna make next week? I'm still just gonna use whatever I have in the fridge. And try to clean it all out. But do we need Costco food next week? I think I might order Costco though, because we're going camping and I probably need some things. Like I don't have any more beef really to do dehydrate meat. I kind of want to dehydrate some fruit for the kids as snack, like the watermelon, which I'm sure they will love. I'm gonna put that over there. Everything was fast, but these eggs make me feel like it's taking forever. Let me just... I'm gonna try this a little bit. This looks nasty to you guys. Let me see how it tastes. It's probably good. It's good. That's 5 eggs. Feels like it's nothing, but you know what? It's there. When we eat it, we're consuming the protein. It's okay. And let me do the shrimp. I almost forgot. Just put it in the middle to cook. No wonder the fire wasn't all the way up. Come on, Amy, let's pay attention. I would say this ratio, because there's veggies and other things. The ratio for this dish, protein, fat to carb, is probably maybe 65 to 35, or maybe 60 to 40. What should I do with the sauce? Or this? Let's see how this tastes first, and I'll add more as needed. Alright, might as well clean up. I'm just waiting. Actually, we need butter. Usually before I leave for the week, I would bring, or I would just think about what how many days I feel it's gonna be by himself. Maybe he wants some to eat, but I think I have him fried rice. Just in case, I'll take this out to thaw in case he wants something like eat this with eggs. You can always do that. Maybe this. Finish that. Yeah, I think that's enough. Sometimes I put bacon out, but I think we ran out of bacon. One more. So that's it. Just gonna have that. The chocolate pan. Chocolate. That's it. Oh, it took forever to cook. It's cooking though. There, it's getting there. Now it's finally hot enough. I think there was a piece of meat. Hold on, let me go get that one, just in case he wants to make something. But if I have given fried rice, he probably won't need it. You see, like there's a lot of rice. Like I'm gonna eat some before I leave. He might have some, or he might have the other shrimp dish. And then what? On Saturday, that's Saturday, right? And then Sunday, the kids will come and there's still rice, so they'll eat the rice. And we're visiting family. I mean, he and the kids will. I'll still be in California, so I don't think he really needs it. But I took those meat out anyway, just in case. There. Okay, good to go. Now the last thing is just the rice, and then flavor it really well, however way you want. And the cheese. So, doesn't look like much, right? But it will look like fried rice once I'm done. So there you go. You have a little bit of your carbs, your rice cravings, and then but transitioning to lower. This is actually not low carb, but I don't think, but it's just lower probably than a normal standard American diet. I think it was pretty salty already, and with the rice included, it won't be too bad. Like it'll probably balance it out. But I'm not gonna add any seasoning until I taste it. I'm gonna see. See, that was a good idea though. I took out a lot of the juice. Otherwise, this would be soggy fried rice. Doesn't it look like fried rice already? But just a lot more meat, vegetables. Oh, I meant to actually cut the white onion too. Oh well, that would have made it a little bit sweeter. That looks like fried rice to me. Actually, I don't really want to eat fried rice when there's not enough meat. It's like, oh my god, where is the meat? I don't want just rice. How this? See, it's still kind of wet. So actually, I'm gonna steam this and then maybe crisp it up. Crisp it up. I can. Get rid of all these chunks of rice right here. I like my kitchen like this. I think I get everything I want here. This is easier. I might do something about this area next. I hate having this here. It's like this big ass space, and it's just to store some veggies. Like, I mean, store some dishes, which I should be putting it away anyway, so that space could clear up. and maybe, ow, it's good, just right. I don't think I need to season it anymore. I want to kind of steam it out though, get more of the juice out. And then I'll put the cheese. And this is a lot of fried rice, so it will last till the kids. So he doesn't need to prepare anything for them. Like they don't need to go out eat like that fast food either. Or he can have. And if I'm home on Sunday, then I'm hungry, I can also have some too. I don't think that we'll finish it, but who knows. Yeah, okay, now the steam is gone. I can see it's getting brown down there. That's a good sign. I want that a little bit. But pretty much the dish is done. It's very fast. I got rid of a lot of things in the fridge that we didn't have to waste and throw it out. What I was gonna say, this is like a lazy day. Lazy day that'll last 2 days. Because this, I will eat a little bit. Yeah, we have. And tomorrow Phil's, it's just him. He won't finish it. And then, so it's like almost 3 days. Yeah. For my family though, not. I know some people have big families, so it's different. Just saying, it is a lot. It'll fill you up for sure too. Then there you go. This is the remaining cheese. Finally, I can use it up. And after this, it's done. I don't know what I'll do with this. Maybe I'll freeze it and use it. Yeah, I might freeze it. Yeah, save it. Where should I put this? Up here. There. Oh, look, it's melting. I like when I'm eating the rice and then I see the melted cheese. Oh, gotta clean the stove. Yeah, look. Let me taste it real quick. But it's perfect to me. Yeah. It's salty enough. Okay, that's it. Thank you, everybody.